Hi, this is Sophia from Reporting. Welcome to another video. So today I want to talk to you about how to use FTE exceptions in our forgiveness analysis. So I'll take you to the application. And the first thing that I want to bring your attention to is the cover period and how John has less hours than the rest of his colleagues during the cover period. And that's because he resigned. So because it has less hours, what will happen is that the FTE calculation is going to be lower. And then the owner of the business is going to get penalized for that. Now, because this person resigned, and this is one of the exceptions to the FTE calculations, then the FTE is going to go up again. So instead of you having to calculate all that manually, what you can do is come here to this checkbox and put a check. And that is going to automatically go back up to a number 1, for example. The other exceptions that are available to FTE are rejected offer to restore hours. And there's 2 more. I'm going to show you now where they are. If you go to FTE reduction option 2, we have unable to rehire and then unable to replace. So if any of these apply, make sure that you put a check in these check boxes and then also upload any documentation that will prove that these exceptions actually apply. So that's it. That's all you need to do. Like always, let us know if you have any questions and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.